I like to periodically scan my car for any errors that there might be. And during the last scan, I found out that I have an issue with glow plug on cylinder 4. So today I'm going to show you how you can replace it on your engine. So let's go. Let's open fault codes, and we can see the error is the glow plug on cylinder 4. So let's change it. First, pop the hood. Sorry about the mess. Remove the engine cover if you have one. Put it aside. And here we can see the glow plugs. So this is number 4. That's how we count them on this engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would highly suggest that you first clean the base where the plug lies. You can use something like a blower or a vacuum cleaner. I'm going to use this blower, and let's clear it. First, remove the cable that goes to the glow plug, like so, and now you should see it. Second, get the blower or vacuum cleaner and use it Now that it's relatively clean, you can use something like WD-40 to spray and leave it sitting overnight so that it can soak. It would come out easier.
Tomorrow.
I would highly suggest you use a torque wrench so that you don't break the glow plug. Otherwise, you're going to have a bad time. Even for unscrewing it. The tightening torque is, if I remember correctly, between 10 and 15 Newton meters. So you should use the torque wrench even when breaking the glow plug loose. Okay, I think it's going to get out pretty easily, especially after soaking it with WD-40. Let's hope that I did not break it. And now we have to get it out. I knew that it was deep, so I've got a magnet. And let's use the magnet on it. And here's the old glow plug. Here are both glow plugs. This is the old one, as you can see. It's from BERU, and I decided to go with BOSCH for the new one. I like to spray some grease on the threads so that next time it will come out easily. Not too much. Installing it is the reverse procedure. Grab it with your magnet, be very careful, and insert it. I don't know, I managed to focus, okay. Start by tightening it by hand so that you don't strip it. Also be very careful again. Should go in pretty smoothly. Tighten it with the torque wrench. Remember, 10 to 15 Newton meters. Okay. I think that should do it. Now let's try and start the car. Fingers crossed. Started perfectly. And now we have to clear the error. We have to clear the error and check if it will reappear. Open VCDS, select engine. We're waiting. Fault codes, yes, here it is. Now clear codes, no fault codes, okay. Go back, turn the car off, turn the car off, it's off, okay, cycle it. Go into engine again.
Start recording video.
That's the dash cam. We're waiting. Fault codes, no fault codes. And that's how you can easily and safely replace a spark plug on your engine. So, see you in the next video. Bye.